Demi. I mean, Anaya.
These are my classmates.
I already know. They're not even going to see
This
this.
is Elijah. This is
Yeah.
Sion. This is
Your class
Madeline.
start with a J.
Let me give Sion 2 Dojo points because he came in. He was ready.
No, he was not. He came in.
He was ready. When he came in, he was ready. Sion, thank you for being ready.
During our lesson,
You're working hard
Miss.
and you're on task. Ready?
during
All right, so today we're going to do some math calculations. So some of us are still struggling with subtraction with regrouping, and just so that we don't get stuck on just doing subtraction, we're also going to be doing addition with regrouping. Understood?
I'm stuck on the track.
Okay, what's not who's stuck on it? All right.
Hi.
Demi, can you read our objective for us?
I'll be able to add and subtract within
One.
one
This is supposed to be a 1,000. I apologize.
within 1,000 using the
Standard algorithm.
algorithm.
Thank you for reading. So the objective is filling out paper. So what are we going to do?
Learn about standard algorithm.
And what are we going to do with the standard algorithm?
Learn how to multiply.
No. Multiply. Add and what?
Subtract.
Add and subtract. Thank you, Demi. We're going to add and subtract. Within, how big of our number is going to be? Within what?
1,000.
Oh, win 1,000. So at the end, we're going to review, Elijah. Look at me. At the end, we're going to review. We're going to see if we hit our objective. Okay, Demi, I need you to put that away. All right, so you're going to watch me do one of addition. You're going to watch me do one of subtraction, and then we're going to do some together. Since it's 4 of us, I'm going to put you with a partner.
I do.
And then you're going to do some by yourself.
Is it an
I
I do?
told
It's an I do.
Oh my goodness. Can we start time out? Thank you so much. Sion's the first one to give me a timeout. So here's how it's going to go. Demi, I would like to take that now. You can get it back at the end. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right, so you're going to watch me do this one. Okay? So, when we're adding, we start from the right and we work our way to the left. So look, our first step is we're going to add the numbers that are in the ones place. What two numbers are in the one place? I wonder. Let me look at them. I know the ones place is ones, tens, hundreds. Let's see. Did I say stuff from the...
You said starts from the ones.
Right. I made a mistake. I'm going to start from the left. Start from the left and work our way right, okay? So we're going to start from the left and work to the right. Got it? All right. I'm going to add the numbers in the ones place. What numbers are in my ones place? Let me see. I have 5 and 9. I don't know 5 and 9, so I'm going to count on. So I'm going to put 9 in my head. You're just watching me. Put 9 in my head and count on 5. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I know that this is 14. I don't think that looks right. That doesn't look right. I can't do
add
this.
your 1 to the 10.
Oh, thank you. I didn't know. Let me see. I've only done this a few times and I'm still unsure. So let me make sure I'm doing it right.
I just know that you really know.
18.
4, put 1 now, add up. So now I'm going to go to my tens place. Add the numbers in my tens place. That's the second step. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. Now I do 8 plus 3. Then we make sure you're paying attention. 8. I'm doing this one, remember? 8, 9, 10, 11. I know that I have to put it down because if it's 10 or more, I carry next door. Plus 1. 4 plus 1. It is 5. Plus 1 more is 6. Because my last step is to add the numbers in the hundreds place. So my answer is 614. Let me show you some subtraction now. So for subtraction, same thing. I'm going to start from the left. I was right. Start from the right and work our way left. So I was right. We're going to start from the left and work our way right. I'm sorry. Start from the right and work our way left. So subtract the numbers in the ones place. But if it's more on the floor, go next door and and get 10 more. There is more on the floor here because 9 is bigger than 8. I'm going to go next door and get 10 more. So this 3 is going to become a 2. And this 8 is going to become an 18. Now I'm going to do 18 take away 9. But I don't know 18 take away 9. So I'm going to go start at 9 and count up. Demi, you paying attention?
Ow.
Are you with me, Demi? All right, start at 9 and count up to 18. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18. That's 9 fingers that I used.
What do you have on your fingers?
Sorry, let me see. Let me make sure it's 9. Demi's goo. So, 9, start at 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18, that's 9 fingers. These 5 and this 4. Now,
That's too much good.
let me see, I wonder if I can do 5, take 2, take away 5. I cannot. There's more on the floor. I have to go next door and get 10 more. This is a 6. This becomes a 12. Now I'm going to do 5 and add up to 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 fingers I've used. Now I'm in my hundreds place. Step 3, subtract the numbers in the hundreds place. 6, take away 4 is 2. So my answer is 279. In a way that I can check it, let's see, I'm still going. I can check it like this. 459 plus 279, and I should get 738. 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 1. 5 plus 7 is 12, that's a 13, plus 1. 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 2 more. 5, 6, 7. Got it? These numbers match?
Yeah.
They do match. Let me see. Let me see how they don't match. It already went away. Sit down.
It didn't match.
It did.
It did.
It didn't to me.
8 take away 9. Hey, I can't do. Go next door. This becomes a 2. This becomes an 18. 18 take away 8. 9 is 9. Now go to the 10th place. 2 take away 5. Can't do. 7 becomes a 6. This becomes a 12. 12 take away 5 is 7. 6 take away 4 is 2. I'm going to add 279 plus 459. 9 plus 9 is 18. Plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8.
See, that's an 8 and that's a 9.
This is an 8 right here.
Demi.
This is an 8.
Oh, I didn't mean you. Anaya.
Anaya, look, this is an 8.
No, at the
We're trying to make sure this answer matches up to this.
They can't see
Look,
me. You see
12,
me?
13.
this one matches
You
that.
see?
We're trying to match this.
Keep saying my name.
4 plus.
You got it right.
I got it right. Thank you so much. All right, have a seat. All right, now you're going to work with some partners.
Listen.
Demi?
Pay attention.
Would you like to work with me, Demi?
Can I work with Sion?
Answer.
Can I work with Sion?
All right, get your whiteboard.
Can I work with Sion?
And I want you to put an addition or subtraction problem on your whiteboard.
Okay,
I
that's
work
easy.
by myself.
Put your make an addition or subtraction problem. Put on your whiteboard.
Can I work by
Quickly.
myself?
Put an addition or subtraction problem on your whiteboard.
It would have to be a minus or a plus.
It doesn't have to be minus. It can be either or, minus or plus. It doesn't matter to me. Quickly, make a problem. This is for your partner to solve.
460.
Don't solve it. You're just making it.
I know.
Okay.
Them not.
There you go.
This add or
Solved.
subtract.
Wait,
Wait.
who's my partner?
I'm passing boards out.
What? No, that was for Roger.
This is a 2-step. Well, you
No,
want
because he likes his in 3.
Okay, so you gave him a hard one. What's your problem, Sion? You add or subtract?
Who's mine? Which one?
Add.
Okay, do I add? Give us a 3-digit number. Go ahead. If you have a problem, go ahead and solve it. Because then you're going to have to explain how you solve your answer. Put your line across so that Anaya can solve your problem. Here, this is your problem. Go ahead and solve it. This is your problem.
Thank you.
Go ahead and solve your problem.
This is
is a 5, right?
Yes, that's a 5. Thank you for asking for clarification. Demi's doing a really nice job at solving her problem. Is that a 3? I can't tell. That looks like a backward 3.
Done. I finished. Did it. I'm finished.
Ooh, our board left.
I'm finished.
Okay, you want me to come around and check?
Yes.
Okay, hold on. Do not erase your boards.
I got it.
Do not erase it once you got your answer. I'm coming around to make sure it's right.
I got it.
Do not erase it.
I know.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I give you a 3.
No, this is wrong. Your 10th place.
I know that.
5 plus 3.
That's 8 plus 2 more. That's 10. Yeah, that's
8 plus 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is. What? Oh, thank you. I'm glad you caught that mistake.
I got it.
Nice. That's right.
You got my question.
912.
All right. Who's first to come up?
Me.
Demi, come on up and show us your problem.
Get me okay with my easy problem I gave you. This yours? Yes, that's easy.
Come on up. Let's see you solve your problem. Please explain to us the steps you took to solve it quickly. All right, everyone's looking at Demi.
Hey, Demi.
And she's going to explain how she solves her problem.
Miss Patrick.
We're watching Demi. Demi, that's a little light. Can you make it a little bigger? A little darker
That's a
color?
3.
How about purple?
How about you can pick your color when you go up, but we're watching her. Go ahead. So what did you have to do? You had 3.
That's so light. I know.
You're on the highlighter tool. Click on the other tool.
This one?
Yes. Go ahead.
Miss Patrick.
We're watching Demi. Now, who gave Demi this problem?
Me.
Okay. Who gave it to her?
Me.
Elijah did. Go ahead. Go ahead. Solve it. What'd you do?
Okay, so I had 1 plus 9, 10.
Okay. So what did you have to do to the 10? You had to...
And put 1 at the top.
Okay, why?
Because I can't put 10 next to the 0.
Okay. You can't put the 1 next to the 0? So you had to carry because it was bigger than... Okay, go ahead. I'll be quiet. You keep solving it.
7. I have 77.
7?
770.
No, Ian. 700?
770.
770. All right, call on someone to go next.
Zion.
Zion. All right.
Erase it.
Go ahead and erase it. And Zion is going to go up and solve his problem. I'll make the eraser tool a little bigger. Thank you, Demi.
All
All right, let's give Demi some shine.
What was my question again?
Good job, Demi.
Erase it.
Why'd you erase it?
She said it.
So you cannot go. I said do not erase it. So you have to sit there and watch everybody else solve their problem.
Why you erase? She just told us don't erase
That's
it.
it. I definitely. That's okay. That's a natural consequence.
Can I get a clock one?
Anaya will be okay. Can you do a what?
Clock.
1 at the end.
Okay.
So do y'all like what?
We're paying attention to Zion now. Go ahead, Zion. What was your problem?
Alright. So you got exclusion. So I did 3 plus 4 equals 7.
Okay.
And 1 plus 3 equals 4.
Yes.
And 2 plus 2 equals 4.
Good. So what's your answer? Did you have to regroup at all? Did you have to carry anything over? No. Okay.
No. It was 440. 47.
447. All right, Elijah, you're up.
I gave him the question.
Who gave Zion this question?
Me!
Demi. Okay.
Yeah, now you get me
That
this
eraser.
All right. Zion, then you can come have a seat. Elijah's the last one. Anaya, you can help me before we do, because I said don't erase it. And it's not like I can give you a different problem. Your classmate made it up. Elijah, go ahead, and then we're moving on to our we do. Go ahead. We'll have enough time for our we do, and then...
So, now
So, Elijah, what was different about your problem? You had...
because I had 3 digits.
Well, they're all 3 digits, but you had 3 digits. Everybody else had 2 3 digits.
Yeah.
Go ahead and write it so we can move on. That's the eraser.
I clicked this one.
Elijah.
Stop.
Choose a color.
Go ahead and write it. There we go.
3. 3. 1,
Uh-huh.
4, 5, 7,
Uh-huh.
1, 2, and 4.
Okay.
And this is on plus too. So 4 plus 7 is 11. Then I added my 1 and I got 12. This is so hard to write with this.
No.
It is.
No.
Now I put my 1 up here. Then so I added 2 plus this is 7.
Go ahead, you can do
I
it.
added this is 8. I added 8 to 2, that's 10. Plus 1, this is 11. Then I put my 1 up here. Then so I added this is 5. So 5 plus 3 is 8. So 8 plus that is 9. So it's 912. What are we?
912? Okay.
Whoa, that's big old number. Who gave me that question?
Anaya gave him that one because Anaya, why did you explain to us why you gave
Elijah that
Elijah this question?
Because
Anaya.
Because he likes 3-digit numbers.
Numbers. Okay. I like that you know your classmate and that your classmate likes a challenge. All right, are we ready to move on?
Can I do another one?
Anaya, you can help me with the we do.
he doesn't.
Nope, not yet. Sit down. I'll tell you when to help me. All right, thank you, Elijah. Let's give everyone some shine. Woo! All right, we do. Here's our worksheet. Sit down. We might only have time for the we do today, and Thursday we are going to finish the you do if we don't get to it. So if you look on the front of the we do, the first we do is all addition problems. The back of it is all subtraction problems.
Miss Patrick.
All right, so go ahead and solve that bolded box on your paper first, and then once you get halfway through, we'll start going over it together. So go ahead and solve the bolded box first. A what? What do you need?
Counting?
You want counters?
Yes.
Okay.
Please.
What counters?
Here.
You see?
Start by solving the bolded one. Go ahead and move on to the other ones. The bolded one, let's see. Where should I start? In my 10th place, right?
No.
Where should I start then?
1 place.
All right, what's in my 1st place?
0 times 2.
Times
Plus 2.
is
2.
all right. Next, I go to my 100th place, right?
Yeah.
I go to my 100th place next.
No.
All right.
10.
Oh, 10s. What 2 numbers in my 10th place?
9 plus 5.
What's 9 plus 5? Put 9 in your head and count up
14.
5. Oh, thank you.
13.
I hit 13. I hit 14. So let's see. Let's put 9 in our head. 9
one more.
All right, 5 plus 3 is
It is 8.
8 plus 1 more.
9.
9. All right, you're going to do the rest. Did everyone get 942
Yes.
folded box?
Yes!
All right, just flip over to the back real quick. Even though you're not done the front, we're going to do the next we do problem. Go ahead and solve that next
Okay.
folded box.
I completed the front.
Oh, great. You'll be ready for you do.
Hold up, is this correct?
Okay, can I check it after we do our we do?
Sure.
All right, thanks. Go to the back and do that next we do. This we do, if you notice, is subtraction. All right. Let's go.
Get it! No.
Take your time, Demi. It's not a rush. Take your time in solving it. Remember our steps. We're starting in the ones place, then we go to the tens place,
I did the
and then
bullet
we go
one.
to the hundreds place. And then remember, if it is, look, you can even look on the anchor chart on the back of the board. If it is more on the floor, go next door and get 10 more. Okay, you have to remember that. Go ahead and solve the rest of them, Anaya, until we come back to this we do one.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm finished.
You solved it? Is everyone done this bolded box?
Yeah.
All right, let's go over it. Who can help me solve it?
Me.
All right, Sion, start us off.
Yeah. Can I take a
You can
home?
bring your paper. You might need your paper. Start us off.
Can
What's
I take us home?
you wanna? You gonna start us off? You gonna take us home? Okay, that sounds good to me. All right, Sion, go ahead.
I did 7 minus a
Can you do what? Okay, go ahead.
1.
7. Oh, look at that, Sion. Is it more on the floor or more on the top? So 7 is bigger than 8.
No.
No. So is it more on the top or more on the floor?
More on the floor.
So if it's more on the floor, what do we have to do when it's more on the floor? Where do we have to go? Go.
Let's go next door. It is 1. Because if you took away 7.
Go next door and get 10 more. I like how you said that. So show us how we would go next door and get 10 more. What does it look like when we go next door? Where are we going to? Where is next door? What place? Yes, go to that 5. Go ahead. All right. Good. Very nice. Now can we do that? Okay, we may not know 17 take away 8, so what can we do? What strategy can we use, Demi?
Stop it right there.
Tell us what strategy.
You pick the 7. You keep the 1 at the top, but pick the 7 at the bottom.
No. 7. Now we have 17 take away 8. Well, how can we do that? We may not know 17 take away 8. What
Put
strategy
17
can we?
in your head and count 8.
No, flip it around. Put
Oh! Put 8 in your head and
count up to
7.
10. So okay, so let's check it. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. You're right. Okay, give the pen to Demi. She's going to do the 10th place. Thank you, Sion. Very smart. And for fixing that mistake of recognizing that it is more on the floor. All right, Demi, you're doing the 10th place. A 9, you can do the 100th place, okay? What can we do, Demi? Yours real quick.
So 4. I'm done with those.
Pay attention. Okay. 4.
6.
No, we're subtracting. So what 2 numbers are we subtracting? Is that the operation we're using, subtraction, right?
Oh.
So what numbers do we have?
4
Take minus.
3
So 4 minus 3 is what?
is 4 minus 3. Go next door and get 10 more.
No, look at, I need, you got 4 fingers, you got 4 counters. 4 take away 3 is?
4, so 4 counters.
Take away 3 of them.
1.
1. Give the pen to Anaya. Thank you. She's going to do our hundreds plays.
Thank you, Jimmy.
Thanks, Demi. Oh my gosh. All right, Anaya, take us home.
I'm taking you home.
I'm so sorry. You were like a mid-stop.
Yeah.
All right, how'd you get 4?
1 minus 4 is
1 minus 4?
1 minus 5 minus.
What are our numbers? That's correct, but how'd you get it?
It was correct.
Yeah. What numbers are we subtracting,
I
Anaya?
thought it was wrong.
Yeah, she can get water.
I thought it was wrong. We subtracted 4 and 1.
No, where do you look? What class are we in? The
Hundreds. I forgot. I'm sorry.
okay.
I didn't mean to say that. We subtracted 5 and 1
Okay.
minus and it equals to. What did I pick?
Look at your numbers.
6.
No. Look at your numbers. Because when we have MCAT, you can't ask me or Miss Lewis, what did you pick? So what are your numbers that are on the screen in front of you for the hundreds, please?
What did you do? I didn't do that.
Guilty.
Now Jimmy, I know how to do it.
Go ahead, and before I take it over.
Stop, Jimmy. Stop. Jimmy's wiping my answer. Jimmy wiped my answer.
You didn't have an answer.
No, you didn't have one. You only picked 4.
Okay, Demi, give her the pen back. Demi, give her the pen back. Elijah, have a seat.
Can I put my number back in? 1 and this is 4.
How'd you get the 4?
Because 5 minus 1 is 4.
Thank you. 5 minus 1 is 4. Thank you so much.
Can I do the next one?
No, it's not next one.
Can we do the
Thank you.
other
Have a
one?
seat.
For me.
All right. Now you are going to do your you do. Some of us
Every day.
have we finished our we do?
Yes.
If you have finished your we do, are you ready for your you do?
Yes.
So, Sion, you're still working, right? We have about 5 minutes. See what you can do in 5 minutes.
Okay.
Okay. Sion, what are you working on?
Classes, right?
Then what do you need help
Wait,
with?
Miss Patrick. I don't need help. Can I get the
Okay.
cubes?
The what?
Cubes.
Here, Demi. Come.
Cubes. Me?
Let's see.
Me? And one.
All right, Demi, come look. What's your problem? What problem are you doing? Elijah's no name. Come on, Demi, so we can solve your problem. Solve your you do. You do is all by yourself. Come on, Demi.
All by myself?
Thank you.
Yes. First thing I always pretend like I'm surprised by me.
You got it, Sion? Look. What's your problem, Demi?
8 plus 8.
No. Give me your whole problem. What problem are you doing? 8. Read the number to me.
8 plus 8.
Read the whole number. What is this number?
8.
Uh-huh.
1. 8.
And so you need to say 818
818
plus
plus 8.
plus just 8.
Plus 8 and
980.
88, Demi. You got to learn how to read the numbers. So let's start with our ones place. Look. This is our ones place. Now we have our tens place. And we have our hundreds place. Let's start with our ones place. 8 plus 8. So look here. I'm going to take a highlighter. I'm going to make this 8. So let me undo that. So look, this is going to be 8. And then this is going to be yellow. This is going to be red.
how good are you at math?
2, 3. Look. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, We're gonna do the same thing up here.
Can I do it?
You'll do the next one.
I did.
That's two. For some reason they made me mess.
We got 4 minutes.
4.
Let's count them.
1.
Let me have 2.
Yeah, for those subtraction.
4.
It's not being confusing.
8, 9, 10, 11.
Is that fit 1?
13, 14, 15, 16.
What is it? This is 16. Can we do this?
No.
Okay, so what do we have to do?
Hit
Okay,
the 6
now
at
we're
the top.
6 is at the top?
The 1 at the top.
1 at the top. At the top of the which place?
The 10
The 10th place. Plus 1. Where's the 6 go?
right here.
Right here. Let's look at it now. So now we're in now we're in the
Which one you
10th
at?
place.
He's still on the same. He's still on the other one.
All right. How many yellow counters do we need?
1.
Finish everything? Name on it. How many yellow counters do we need? Are you sure it's just 1?
No, 8.
Is this
No, how many yellow? We're in the 10th place.
Is this correct?
I'll check
1.
it. I'll check it.
1.
Plus 1. How many you sure?
2.
Bye, you go back to
Mitchell,
class.
listen.
Go back.
Okay,
Bye.
listen.
Go do your exit ticket. You have time.
Wow.
Elijah? Bye, Elijah. You did a great job today.
See you.
See ya.
I'll say bye.
Okay.
Listen in class.
Yeah, listen in class.
Bye. How many break counters are you doing, Demi?
8.
All right. You okay, Sion? Okay. Well, you got 2 minutes.
8. So, that one step right here.
You can click it. Let me move it.
That's 7. And then that's 9. Okay, now then take away the.
You're adding, Demi.
Well, we gotta add one more.
No, you already did that. Count them all first.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, answer is 10.
Mm-hmm.
Then hit the 0.
Oh, you gotta put the pen back. The pen.
Pen.
The blue. 0.
0.
All right.
Hit the 1
Okay.
plus
Got
9.
you. All right.
8. Erase that.
Why'd you erase that?
Messy.
Okay.
Okay, and
One
now.
take away 0. Why'd you borrow? If it's 1, take 0 away.
Okay, now the next question.
You don't have to borrow for 1, take 0. 1, if it's more on the top, no need to stop.
No. There's 1.
It's 1, yes. Now, 9 take away 9. Numbers the same, zeros the game. Go ahead, Demi. 9, 8 plus 1. So 9 take away 9
I put
is
a 1 right there.
no, just add a
0.
0.
Yes, now 9 take away 3. You have to pay attention to your signs and your numbers. Demi, solve it. 8 plus 1.
8 plus 1, 6. 8 plus 1. You mean 8 plus 0?
8 plus the 1 you carry from the 10. All right, fine, bye.
9.
9. So what's your answer? 900.
906.
906. Bye, Zion. All right, Demi. We'll work on this on Tuesday, okay? On Thursday. Good job. Give me your paper. There you go. Put your eraser back.
Okay. My exit ticket.
Huh?
I gotta do an exit.
That's okay. Thursday you do your exit ticket.
They didn't push my chair.
I know. Look at them not pushing in their
They
chairs.
didn't hit the pencil.
I know. How dare they? I don't know the routines of this place. All right. right. Bye, Debbie.
Bye.